Hello children. Today we are with the comprehension for Unit 1, Part B. Every success story is also a story of great failures. Let's have a quick view at the points to remember to make an effective comprehension. Write the answer in the tense in which the question is asked. That is, if it is in present tense, answer in present tense. If it's in past tense, it is answer in past tense. Do not reproduce the sentence in the passage. That is, don't write the sentence as it is from the passage. Write the answer as short as possible. Don't start any answer with because. Draw a line after each answer. Write the question number which is given in the question paper for the respective answer. Let's have a look at the passage. The New York Times here questioned the intelligence of the Wright brothers. Still, they had the takeoff of their first flight. Then this is Colonel Sanders, who remembered his mother's recipe and became the founder of KFC. And here is Walt Disney, who was rejected by many of the newspaper editors, and later he became the founder of Cartoon World. And here is Thomas Alva Edison, who was rejected from school, considered unfit for schooling. Later, he became the one who invented the bulb, the one with the most inventions in the entire universe. Now, the multiple choice questions. Choose the correct answer. According to the passage, Walt Disney was inspired by a lion, peacock, cat, mouse. Yes, the answer is mouse. Who among the following personalities was partially deaf? So we all know the person who was considered unfit for schooling because he was partially deaf was Thomas Alva Edison. Here the choice is Colonel Sanders, Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, the Wright brothers. Yes, the right answer is Thomas Edison. Next, who among the following started business at a very old age? Is it Henry Ford, Colonel Sanders, Thomas Edison, the Wright brothers? Yes, the right answer is Colonel Sanders. That is, after he was retired, then he remembered his mother's recipe and then he went to make the KFC. Answer the following questions. Who was responsible for the success of Edison and Colonel Sanders? Here we see the two things, the one thing common in both of them, that is Colonel Sanders' mother's recipe, and here Edison's mother took it as a challenge and educated Edison. So, Edison, the mother of Colonel Sanders, were responsible for their success respectively. Then second question is, successful people don't do great things. They only do things in a great way. What does it mean? It means that a different way of doing things makes it outstanding and remarkable. That is, the one who has the different outlook, the one who can look at things from a different angle is the one who emerges successful. Hope you understood how to make a comprehension. Thank you children. Thank you for watching and thank you and have a brilliant day ahead. Thank you.